I tried Solong Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Solong Wallet app, I wasn't expecting much. It's a lesser-known wallet in the Solana ecosystem, and I figured it would be a basic tool to send and receive tokens. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Solong Wallet might just be one of the simplest and fastest wallets for managing Solana assets. On day 1, I created my wallet in seconds, no long forms, no complicated setup. Just one click, and I was ready to go. The simplicity was refreshing, especially compared to wallets that bombard you with options before you even see your balance. By day 2, I sent my first Sol transaction, and it was instant. I'm talking under a second. That's the power of Solana's blockchain, but Solong made it even easier to experience it. No pop-ups, no confusion, just a clean interface that works. By day 4, I tried connecting it to decentralized apps. Solong supports browser extensions, which means I could easily interact with DeFi protocols and NFT marketplaces right from my browser. Everything's synced without errors, and that's rare for smaller wallets. By day 6, I noticed what sets it apart: security through simplicity. Your keys are stored locally, meaning you have full control, and nothing sensitive is uploaded to a server. Most people overlook this, but it's a big deal for privacy-conscious users. By the end of the week, the shocking truth was clear. Solong doesn't try to do everything, it focuses on doing one thing perfectly: managing Solana tokens quickly, securely, and effortlessly. Most people get this wrong, but you don't need flashy features to have a great crypto wallet. Sometimes, simplicity is the ultimate strength. If you're into the Solana ecosystem and want a wallet that just works without slowing you down, Solong is worth trying. It might not be the most famous wallet, but it's definitely one of the most efficient.